Hello students, today we are going to study a new chapter, Introduction to SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. In this lesson, we are going to study the definition of SEO, types of SEO, then techniques of SEO, then page contents, keywords, social bookmarking and SMO techniques under SEO. Now first of all, let's see what is the meaning of SEO. Just now we have seen the full form of SEO as a search engine optimization. First of all, let us see the meaning of search engine. Search engine means the browser where we explore the information. For example, Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc. All these are the search engines. Then next term is the optimization. Optimization means the website designer guesses that all the complete website content will increase the site quality and user will understand what they are seeing and will satisfy. Here we can see in the picture that SEO is related with marketing, with their target group, with their links, with its contents, with its search, with its ranking, with its performance measurement, and with total www, that is parent directory content. SEO is a technique used for designing and developing a website to be ranked high in search engine results. It is a subset of search engine marketing. Thus, SEO is useful in increasing the number of visitors to a website. In short, we can say that by using the SEO technique, we can increase the rank of our website. SEO is the practice of increasing the quality and quantity of traffic to your website through organic search engine results. That means it is the proper way to increase the website ranking. To understand the true meaning of SEO, let us break the statement as quality of traffic and quantity of traffic with organic results. First thing, quality of traffic. You can attract all the visitors in the world, but if they are coming to your site because Google tells them you are a resource for Apple computer, but actually you are a farmer selling apples, that is not the quality traffic. Instead, you want to attract visitors who are genuinely interested in products that you are selling or whatever the products you are offering. It is known as the quality of traffic. Then second term was quantity of traffic. Once you have the right people clicking through the website or from the search engine results, the different pages, that is search engine result pages, also known as SERP, more traffic is better. That means whatever the resulting pages will be there, and if people are clicking on the page or on the link which is your website, then it will be quantity of proper traffic. Then third term was the organic results. Advertising makes a significant portion of many search engine result pages. Organic traffic is any traffic that you don't have to pay for. Organic search traffic is specifically any unpaid traffic that comes from search engine result pages. Okay, these are the different three terms that is related with SEO. First was quality of traffic, second was quantity of traffic, and depending on this, third term was organic results. Then let us see the working of this SEO. You all are very well known with the concept of chatbots. You are using it in your daily life. Chatbot means what? In your mobile and in your mobile's search engine, there is a specific search engine or text box or search box, and from that box you are exploring the information by typing or by providing your voice. That is nothing but the chatbots. Chatbots where you type or speak your questions on the search engine page, and it replies with a long list of links to different web pages that could potentially answer your questions. But what is the magic behind it? The magic is Google or any search engine has a crawler. Crawler is a computer program that automatically searches document on the web. This crawler goes out and gathers information about all the content and it can find on the internet or web. The crawler being all those ones and zeros back to search engine to build an index. That index is then fed through an algorithm that tries to match all the data with your query or question. This is the working method of SEO. Now let's see the different types of SEO. As shown in the figure, there are mainly two types of SEO, that is on page and second one is the off page. Here on page SEO is refers to the practice of optimizing web pages to improve a website search engine ranking and earn organic traffic. It includes provision of good content, good keywords, selection, putting keywords on correct places, giving appropriate title to every page, etc. In short, on page SEO is concerned with the information that is displayed to the end user, such as text, images and website navigation. And second type is off page navigation. It includes link, then building building increasingly, link off page SEO includes link building, increasing link popularity by submitting open directories, search engines, link exchanges, etc. In short, we can say that off-page SEO is all about links. It refers to the actions taken outside of your own website to impact your ranking within search engine result pages. Here we can say that off-page SEO is concerned with the website to website relation. That means the links. Do other website refer to you? Do you refer to others? That means from one website you can jump to other website. How good is your network? All these things are related with the off-page SEO. Then next term is the techniques of SEO. It is classified in two broad categories. First one is the white hat technique and second one is the black hat technique. Appearing in search result is vital, that is, it is essential for business growth, but there is right and wrong way of doing it. White hat technique is the right way and black hat technique is the wrong way. This white hat technique are recommended by search engine besides good quality website design. It is recommended by search engine because it uses organic techniques and demands quality in a site in order to ensure it performs well to search its strategies just like relevant content, well labeled images, relevant links and references, complete sentences with good spelling and grammar, standard compilant HTML, and unique and relevant page titles. This is the example of organic search, or using this white hat technique you can increase the ranking of your website in a legal manner. And second technique is the black hat technique. These techniques are not approved by the search engines. It is a technique that is used to increase a site or web page rank in search engine through violating the search engine's terms of services. Nowadays, this black hat term is more commonly used to describe for computer hackers, virus creators, unethical action performers. That means this black hat technique is related with duplicate content, invisible text and stuffed keywords, then clocking and redirecting the user to another site or page, or links from site with non-relevant content. Okay. Then next term is optimizing website. There are various sections of a website which can be optimized for better SEO. Some of the ways to optimize the website for SEO is: first way is page structure optimization. Here we can optimize our website by using by using the various norms. First one is HTML program should start with doc type HTML. Then second thing, if it is singular tag just like image, it should be self enclosed like this image and then end of image. Then order of tags should be proper. Most of the time recently opened tag will be closed first. Now let's see its example. Okay, before that we have to also go for the titles. Title is the first thing that user notices in search result list while using Google for searching. Content should be up to 60 characters with spaces. That means under title tag we can provide 60 characters maximum, and whatever the data you are providing under title, it may happen that this data will be used for the search engine's result. The next one is the meta description tag. You know that meta tag is used by the search engine to display the website related content. While creating a web page, meta description should be used to boost your web page on page SEO. Meta description should be between 70 to 160 characters including spaces. Next one is the heading tag. The page should include proper headings from H1 to H6 whenever required. And one more, image tag with the alt attribute. The alt attribute gives information about the image, so even if the image does not download, it can make the viewer understand the image related information. For example, if we have inserted an image of a book and if that image is not downloaded, then book name will be provided instead of image. That is the use of alt. Let's see its example. Here in this first program, it is our general practice of writing the program. Up to now we have written all the program in this manner only. Here the ordering of P, then bold, then I is completed. Here last use tag is I and we ended I first of all. Then use tag was B, then we ended B. Here and first of all we have used P and we ended P at the end of all these tags. This is one of the best practice to optimize the web page. Then second point, here we have used the meta tag. Here for description content is Statue of Liberty. Then another keyword, and under that keyword we have provided alt and optimization of image. Another meta tag, meta name is provided as image and its name as Statue of Liberty. When anyone will search for the Statue of Liberty, this web page content will be displayed, or whatever the image displayed on this page will be displayed as the search output. This meta tag is used with important and valid keyword related to that image, like the image source as Statue of Liberty, and from the view of optimization of image tag. We can also optimize the page by using such method. Okay. Then today's exercise, depending on these slides, you have to write the types of SEO, and then you have to explain white and black hat techniques for web optimization. Okay. Also today morning I have given you one task. You have to complete the last lesson, fourth lesson, emerging technologies exercise, and upload it on IT exercises group up to 10 p.m. today only. Okay, we will stop here.